Hello, my lovely friends. Clarissa here with Anti-Aging Dermatology, and I have a video for you with a very important information about this anti-aging oil that I've been using for many years. This oil, it's not heard on YouTube, so I thought I should make this video telling you the benefits, anti-aging benefits of this precious oil that I have been using for many years with a lot of success. This oil is called tomato seed oil, which provides significant anti-aging benefits by combating oxidative stress, reducing fine lines, and improving elasticity due to its high concentrations of lycopene, vitamin A, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids. It acts as a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer that repairs the skin barrier, reduces age spots, and protects against UV-induced damage, leaving the skin supple and radiant. This oil, tomato seed oil, it is such an excellent oil that provides so much anti-aging benefits that has the capacity to change the texture of your skin, has the capacity to change the condition of your skin barrier, making it more healthy. So it has powerful antioxidant protection, like I said, rich in lycopene, lutein, zeaxanthin. The oil neutralizes free radicals that accelerate the skin's aging process. Also reduces fine lines and wrinkles. The high vitamin content, it's vitamin A, which aids in cell turnover, while antioxidants reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So having a high content of vitamin A is like using retinols. Retinols that have the ability also to change the structure of the skin, the appearance of the skin. So also improves elasticity and firmness. Essential fatty acids, linolenic and oleic acid, help restore the skin lipid barrier, enhancing firmness and suppleness. So when the skin barrier is being restored, you have the ability to maintain those lipids functioning in a more active way. You know that when you lose the lipids, the deflation occurs, the sagging of the skin occurs. The lipids are very important to maintain those protein fibers restored to prevent them from drying out and breaking down. Also combats age spots and pigmentation. Regular application helps brighten the skin and fade age spots, resulting in more even skin tone. This is due to the high content of vitamin A. Also, this oil, tomato seed oil, helps with deep hydration and skin barrier repair. It is so important to maintain the skin barrier healthy, because when the skin barrier is unhealthy, many irritations and aging and inflammation occurs. So all those elements will age the skin. As a natural emollient, it lacks in moisture, making it ideal for aging or dry skin, preventing dehydration that usually is caused by the environment, stress, diet, etc. Reduces under eye circles because it has high content of vitamin K, which helps strengthen the delicate skin under the eyes and reduces dark circles and puffiness. Also has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to soothe redness and irritation, which can contribute to faster skin aging. Tomato seed oil is generally non-greasy, absorbs quickly, and is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and mature skin. Uh, Tomato seed oil helps with irritation and redness of the skin. It helps with the stimulation of the collagen. It helps, like I said, with the restoration of the skin barrier. It also helps with the restoration of your lipids, and it is a beautiful oil that is absorbed very well into the skin. It's not greasy, and you could apply it at nighttime because due to the vitamin A content, it's more safe to use it at nighttime to prevent the pigmentation when you go next day out there, being exposed to the sun. Also use SPF. Even though this oil protects against UV-induced damage, I'll prefer to use it at nighttime. When you use this oil every single night, the results will be a brighter skin. Especially, you'll notice less pigmentation, less redness, and much more hydrated. Your skin will be more hydrated, and it's very, very effective to hydrate the skin. So we need the hydration to prevent the sagging of the skin. So I will put a photo in this video of the product of the tomato seed oil information, so you can go and buy it at Amazon's. You can find it very easily. Make sure it's cold process, nothing chemical, nothing added to the oil. It needs to be completely pure, 100% pure and cold process.